The story opens with the exterior, where intention meets restraint. This coupe reads as an exercise in proportion, a long hood, compact glasshouse, and sculpted hips that catch light without flamboyance. The deep graphite finish and copper pinstripe play with the low sun, while satin aluminum and hand-brushed chrome provide quiet highlights at the grille, mirror caps, and window surrounds. LED signatures sit tightly integrated, like a confident glance rather than a shout, and the staggered wheels and slight rear overhang give the stance a forward readiness. Details matter. Recessed flush handles, a ceramic-like roof, and an asymmetrical tail lamp cluster hint at thoughtful decisions rather than trendy gestures. Photographed on a wet coastal ribbon road in the soft December light, the car carries a sense of calm momentum, tuned for the road, not for attention. Move inward and the same philosophy continues. The cabin is composed, tactile, and human-scaled. A three-seat front layout, centered around a floating console that organizes driver tasks and communal interaction. Materials are chosen for touch and longevity. Warm walnut veneer, paired with satin carbon fiber, two-tone leather seating, and a woven textile headliner that dampens sound and adds visual warmth. Lighting is restrained and purposeful. Amber washes over seating zones, while cool white forward illumination keeps instrumentation readable without glare. Controls favor satisfying mechanical action, metal toggles and rotary knurls, with a narrow digital strip handling secondary readouts, keeping the interface unobtrusive and legible. Storage is pragmatic. Deep door pockets, a covered center bin, and an under-console tray sized for a camera or thermos, designed for journeys that last hours, not minutes. On the road, the car rewards steady inputs. Chassis tuning leans toward composed composure and confident feedback, rather than razor aggression. Ergonomics prioritize reach, sightlines, and honest steering feel. There is a quiet joy in the way panels meet, in the softness of the leather underhand, and in the muted click as the door closes. Subtle calibrations made in the cool morning of the 8th of December 2025 at 9:17 add a small, deliberate uniqueness to its final setup. A car that knows how to be quiet and still be memorable.